Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 14th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, pound dollar, we are at the structure level of a wave B. If this is the end of a correction back here, that means this whole push up to me is either a wave A or a wave 1. I think it still could be a wave 1 of a big uptrend, but most wave A's do end around the previous structure of the previous move down in this case. So we could possibly start a much bigger move to the downside, but we definitely can't guarantee that. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would want to see a breaker structure down on the 1 hour time frame, which we don't have yet, which would probably be right here. If it breaks down like that, the first thing I would do is remove this Fibonacci retracement, and I would put a Fibonacci retracement from here to here. Then I would observe the market to see if it makes like an overlapping corrective pattern to a Fibonacci level and then turns back up, or whether it maintains very impulsive moves down like this and goes down and breaks this structure, proving that the higher time frame move up is complete. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.